These two babies are almost identical, but the one that just went into the brick was here first. And when his brother or sister showed up, he started squealing and squeaking, and wouldn't you know, I missed getting that on the video. But we can look at this one. He's having so much fun. Until he decided to hide. Well, there's some kind of a ruckus going on up here. What is going on? Ah, somebody down there is mad. I wonder what is mad about. Do you hear all that fussing? Goodness. You'd think that they own the place. What do you think about that, buddy? It's the finches, I think, that are putting up so much of a fuss. The finch family. Oh, the tall boy's empty. That's the favorite feeder for the tall boy, for the finch family. That's what they're fussing about. Goodness gracious. See that cardinal over there? He's like, well, what's going on? Where's the food? Where's the beef? Remember that? Oh, look at that cardinal. He's molting. Oh, there's just a little bit there. What do you think? I think I better get out there and feed them. These are demanding little critters. What do you do? What are you doing? What were you doing? You're too sneaky. I missed you. I missed you in whatever it was that you were doing. Look at that little tail dragging the ground, that little white feather duster. Oh, there's the male woodpecker. See him? See him? Oh, he's so beautiful. He's going to bust in a minute if he doesn't find anything to eat. Oh, and there's a small woodpecker up there too. No, that's his wife. His wife is saying, what's taking you so long? Hurry up. Oh, no, that's the downy feathered woodpecker. My goodness, I've got to go get Lou. He's got to get these. There's the goldfinch. Oh, I've been trying to get the goldfinch on film for so long, and I just caught him, barely. Wow. All right, I'm sorry, I had to make this short. I've got to go get Lou. There's the goldfish again. Oh, I don't even want to breathe. I don't even want to breathe. Ah, oh, he's so beautiful. I've got to go get Lou. All right, I'm sorry, I got to cut it short because Yahusha is sending these critters here for us to take care of. Look at that. Look at that woodpecker. Oh my goodness. I don't want to leave. But I gotta leave. What am I gonna do? All right, I'm out of here. I gotta go get Lou. I'm sorry. I would love to watch that woodpecker until he left. But I gotta go. Bye-bye. Love you. Remember, rejoice because this is the day Yahuwah has made. Hallelujah.